Today we will start the new chapter, chapter 2. It is about the nutrition in animals. In previous chapter we had studied about the nutrition in plants. You all know plants are of two types. So they have two types of nutrition. Green plants are autotrophs. They can make their own food. So they are called, their nutrition is also autotrophic. And some non-green and few green plants called insectivorous plants have also heterotrophic nutrition. So their nutrition is of another type. Plants have no digestive system, you all know. But in animals, the nutrition is different. First, it is called heterotrophic. You all know heterotrophic nutrition means that is taken from another organism. But animals are dependent on two sources that you all know. What are these? First is the plant and second is the animal. So what we eat, we never eat a simple food that do not needed to be digested except glucose. We all drink glucose when we feel exhausted, but glucose is the simplest carbohydrate, so it do not need to be digested. It is when we drink it, it gets absorbed in our stomach. So that's why it gives us very quick response and we get energy. But whatever we eat in heterotrophic nutrition is in solid form and in complex form. So let us discuss. I am giving you some examples. You all visualize it and try to understand. Think, we eat chapati, bread, puri, whatever we eat, rice, boiled means boiled rice, and maize. These are the sources of carbohydrate. You all know. So carbohydrates are of three types. First is glucose, and when glucose molecules get joined together, they form starch. Starch is eaten by us as the source of energy. So whenever we eat chapati, rice, maize, bread, it needed to be digested. Means chapati cannot go to our blood vessels. So first it has to be broken down into its simplest form, that is glucose, and this process is known as digestion. And this type of nutrition which is taken in solid form is known as holozoic nutrition. In animals, there are many different types of animals, but all have heterotrophic nutrition. Some eat solid. Some animals, like insects, they take their nutrition in liquid form. You all have idea about butterfly, like mosquito. There are another animals like leeches. So mosquito and leeches suck the blood of other animals. This is also a type of heterotrophic nutrition. But in their body there is no need of any digestive system because they have just taken their nutrition in a perfect form which is utilized in their body for their further processes. So today we will discuss about some different types of animals and how they take their nutrition. First is in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular animal organism, and it is an animal because it is made up of animal cells. So amoeba is a unicellular animal which is very, very small. We cannot see it with our naked eye. Just think about its size. But it has also heterotrophic nutrition. it also captures its food in water. Amoeba lives in water. So it captures its food with the help of pseudopodia. That I will explain in another video what is pseudopodia. But here I am asking you that amoeba captures its nutrition with the help of pseudopodia. It is the, here in this page you are watching about the ingestion of animals, the method by which they capture their food or ingest their food. Second is Hydra. Hydra is multicellular, but it is also very small and it lives in ponds or ditches or springs or river. So it is also an aquatic animal. Its body is very small, but it has tentacles, means hair-like structures at their mouth. With the help of tentacles, it captures its food. Third is frogs. You all have seen frogs. Frogs are big enough to see with the naked eye. So frogs have a long sticky tongue. Our tongue is fixed at the back, but frog's tongue is fixed in front and the back side is free. So it can, when it has its prey, what happens? Its tongue comes out and its tongue is very sticky. So its sticky tongue captures the food and engulfs it. Third is the snake. Snake swallow anything, means whatever it has to be ingested, it is just swallow. Means if it eats egg, it just engulfs it. If it captures any small animal, insect or birds or anything, it engulfs it. Means swallowing. Third is bird. Bird engulfs or captures its food with beaks. Birds and snakes, they don't have teeth. Snakes have fangs. That is another thing, but they cannot chew their food. Insects like butterfly and bees, they have a special coiled structure inside their mouth which is called as proboscis. What is the food of insects like bees and butterfly? Nectar, the juice of the flower. So it sucks its nectar with the proboscis. And spiders. We all know and we all have seen spiders at our home or anywhere. Spiders make a web. Web is made to capture the insect for their nutrition. What happens when any insect gets entangled or captured in the web? They leave it. When the insect dies, then they release digestive enzymes to their body, and when the body gets digested, they just simply suck the nutrients from the insect body. So in this way, these animals, these are very small or different type of animals. So I have explained these ingestion method of these animals. Nutrition in an amoeba, I am explaining it because it is a new topic. You don't have any idea about pseudopodia. First you must know what is pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. False means jhutha, that is not real. And podium means food. So the cell membrane of the amoeba, unicellular animal, acts as food to move forward and to food. So this is called as pseudopodia. What happens whenever an amoeba finds its food, its cell membrane moves forward and help it to capture its food. When the food is captured, it forms food vacuole. It takes place in many steps. That's why I have drawn some figures. So this is the method of ingestion of food in amoeba. Second animal, Hydra. Hydra is an aquatic animal which has sac-like body, and around its mouth many small hair-like structures, finger-like structures you can imagine are present. So what they do? They help in movement of Hydra also, and they also help to capture the food. So whenever Hydra finds its food in water, first the Hydra's tentacles capture it and they insert in their body, and the food gets ingested. So this is the method of ingestion in Hydra. So in this way you have finished the nutrition, means ingestion of food in amoeba and Hydra and other animals too. Students, in Hydra, how ingestion takes place? It takes place with the help of tentacles. That has been asked you, but how? So what are tentacles? Tentacles are the hair-like structures around the circular mouth. Hydra's body has very simple structure. It is like sac. Sac means Bora. You all have seen only one opening is open. The three sides of the body is covered. So it has also like this, and the body, when it looks its food in the or it gets its food in the water, what happens? The tentacles entangles it, captures it, and it pushes inside the body of the Hydra, and the food gets inserted in the sac-like body, and then Hydra digested its food, and whatever rest, means undigested part, is left, it again expels its food through its mouth. So it has only one opening, that acts as mouth and anus both. It do not have any digestive system. It digests its food with very simple technique with the help of enzymes. So in this way, the two animals ingestion has been explained. I think you all have a clear idea about it.